How to send fake snaps on Snapchat without filter. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. So for this, to click a fake video, all you have to do is just record a video on Snap, then tap on the send to option and send to the person that you want to send it. Now this is pretty simple. However, if you want to send a fake snap photograph, all you have to do is open up your Play Store or App Store and search for OVF Editor. Tap on the application and hit on install and wait until it installs. Then just go ahead and tap on open. Once you do this, you have to go ahead and enable couple of permission that it asks for. So go ahead and complete all of the permissions. Mind it, you should allow the photo or video access, that is the gallery access. Select on photo and tap on the photo that you want to send. Tap on the tick mark, then just tap on the share option. Now all you have to do is simply tap on send to and select the person that you want to send this snap for. And just like that, you'll be able to share a fake snap with your snap friend. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.